All right, yeah, me and this homie right here training and stuff like that. He gonna help me with my defense and stuff. You know what I'm saying? For real, though. Let's go. That shoulder roll. Shoulder roll, baby. This guy's. Look.
Slow.
Shout goes out to everybody. Shout goes out to this guy's cool. So. God bless everybody doing their thing. This homie's cool right here.
Hold on in my hand. Sorry.
Yeah, Crazie Locs right here gonna keep it pushing. Shout goes out to my fan. God bless this guy. God bless everybody doing their thing. You know, we just having fun. Ready?
All right.
Let's go again.
Okay, shoulder. Damn, your shoulder's too strong, bro. Okay, that's it.
All right, Brian, God bless everybody. Much